Hello guys, welcome to Southern Delight Kitchen. Today making stuffed paratha, delicious. Stuffing is of cauliflower. Here it is cauliflower, washed, drained, grated, then little oil I have added, hing, cumin seed, chili, and then mixed and salt to taste. Now this will go to the stuffing. Here is the dough, wheat dough. Here I always make 2 puris, then I put the stuffing, then like this. Here I have rolled it flat and now putting oil. Nice. Here it is, first made like this stuffing. How nice it is looking. Soft and crispy. You can have it with green chili, made like this stuffing. How nice it is looking. Soft and crispy. You can have it with green chili chutney. Here it is. Here is the green chutney. This is of coriander, green chili, garlic, salt to taste. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Here, hot parathas. This I will roll it and then I will make it. From where you are watching, kindly let me know. थैंक यू. सबका गोभी का पराठा है ये, देखो कैसा फूला है. अमेजिंग ना. सी नाइस. फूला फूला गोभी का पराठा. सर्व हॉट with green chutney. Lovely. Nice. Wow. It's great.